Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover about the markup view tool. So markup is a great way to communicate between collaborators within the SolidWorks file, but it is really handy if you have pen or any touchable device. So let's go and check where you can turn it on first. So in the feature manager, as you can go into the part section and then you need to click on it, and then you can go into the hidden tree items. So in the hidden tree items you can go into the last option, which is hide or show tree items. So in this pop-up you can go here on the left side and you can see there is an option markup. So what you can do is you can go and you can show markup. Click OK.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.
So after that you would see like this is gonna be add into the feature manager, and after that what you can do is you can right click on it and insert markup. So in this way you can see in the ribbon section you would have a couple of options. So it's pretty similar like sketching tool. So what you can do is you can change the color, you can add different markup notes into the SolidWorks file by using different colors and different size and thickness of the pen, and you can erase, you can select, or you can add any notes by using this command. If you have any pen or touchable device, so what you can do is you can just play with it and you can create some nice notes within the SolidWorks file. So this is a really handy only in the case if you have a touchable device. So this was all about the markup tool, and this was the last video of this chapter, and in the next chapter we are gonna discuss how we can modify a part. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.